to Fark Office Furniture channel. Today we are going to show you the installation for one of the work from home tables. So the table at hand is Alpha. Now if you see, the table is received in DIY format in a carton size like this. Now this table is roughly about 15 kgs in weight. And if you see, it has your order number, your other details. All the tables, the cartons which are delivered will have this sticked onto the carton. Now before we start the installation, let me give you a few important instructions. The table installation is going to take between 10 to 15 minutes. You are requested to follow the instructions as we show in this video to have a smooth and safe installation. And once you start the installation process, kindly complete before taking up any other work, because this is a one-time installation of the table. So we'll just start with the installation. The step number 1 is to open the table carton with any sharp object, preferably a screwdriver. So if you have a screwdriver, I hope screwdriver is available in every home, so that will be handy even for the installation purpose. So even if it is not available, it still works. Now if you see, the table comes with, this is how the products are packed in the table. So we're going to take out the products now. So we have legs, like this is leg number 1, this is leg number 2, this is the small table, and this is the main table. Now apart from this, there is a hardware packet, something like this. Now this hardware packet is very important because this has got all these screws, and this has got a very important tool which is called the Allen key. Please open this. Now it is only through this Allen key that the whole table installation is going to happen. So don't miss the hardware that you receive because the hardware is numbered. So the screws and all are sent in numbers, in exact numbers. So a couple of them would be extra, but more or less it will be the exact. So we're going to start the installation process. So put the table, preferably while you do the installation, put the table on the cardboard or put it on the carpet. If you have a carpeted floor, it is fine. If you don't have a carpeted floor, please use this carton. So we will do the installation on this carton. Now if you see the table, this is the back side of the table and this is the front side of the table. Now back side of the table has got these hole marks. So there are 4 hole marks on the back side of the table. Now if you see, the leg that we have received along with this has, step number 1 is to unwrap the legs. So if I place the leg upside down and match it in the hole, so this is the first step. Cut. So step number 2 is to put these legs in position. Now you see these legs. So if I unwrap the legs, you will find these 2 big holes in the leg. Now these are not holes. If you see, these are the holes. Now if I go back to the hardware that I received, so this is the hardware I received. I received 4 screws. Now each screw is for a particular leg for these holes. So I have 1 screw for this hole and the other screw for this hole. Similarly on the other leg, if you see, there are again 2 holes. Hole number 1, hole number 2. Remind you, this is not a hole, this is not a hole, this is not a hole. This is a fitment. These are the holes, because if I try to put this screw into this, it doesn't go because it's not a hole. So now what I do is I have to get this small table. I have to hold. So you need 2 people for this. You need to hold this small table and bring it. So it has to be this side. So the white side is inside, the wood side is outside. So put this here and similarly, so I just have to push this. Similarly on the other side also, you have to so kindly ensure that both the sides are hold karo. So as you can see, the table has got these 4 marks. So what we are going to do with these 4 marks, we are going to see in the step number 3. So step number 2 is to open the legs. Now if you see the legs, they come with the wrap. So you have to remove the wrap. Now if you just notice on the one thing in the legs, that the legs, once you unwrap, you will see the legs are provided with heavy duty leveler to the bottom. Now these are to take care of the undulation of the floor. And these are quite sturdy legs. And one thing more, if you notice, one flange of the leg is smaller, the other flange is longer. Same is true with the other leg. Now the side where the user is going to sit, so these two legs, when we do the assembly, these two have to match. So which means, just put this leg upside down. This is the right installation and this is the wrong installation. So if you see, longer side, this is the shorter side. Now if I were to install like this is the right installation. So while doing the installation, you have to see at the bottom of the leg, it has to be similar. So long, long, short, short. So now we'll start with the installation. So if you see in the leg, you see the holes. So there are 2 holes here, and similarly, similarly 2 holes here. Now these 2 holes we were provided when we checked the hardware. We were provided with these 4 screws. So these 4 screws, and there are 4 holes given in the smaller table. So the way to do the installation is to turn this upside down. Again, small, small, large, large. If you see from the top, you can bring the, so large and large, small and small. So this is the right way to do the installation. So here we start the installation. So what we do is we match these holes with the holes given on the legs. We raise it a little bit, just insert. Similarly, the other screw. Use the Allen key to tighten it. So tighten it to the best possible extent. And while you are doing the installation, ensure that these all are at the same level, because we will use this while we do the adjustment for the floor. So I think we're done. So now turn this upside down. If you see, this is the structure. Now again, if you want to cross check the structure, you have to check small, small and large, large. So now what we have to do is we have to hold this and turn it upside down. Now which way you have to do? you have to ensure that you do it this large size. The large section is towards the user, and the small section, so small and large. Small matches this small, large matches this large. So now we will have to match this with the holes. So if you see, there are holes given. So now we have these screws that were given to us. So here you would need a screwdriver, wherein you just have to now please try to, if you can get a screwdriver with the plus mode in the front. So all you have to do is start. If you see, the legs have to match the screws that we have. So now this is how we're going to put the screw. Now in the screw, you have to put the screw on the head, apply a little pressure. Screw number 2. And likewise screw number 3 and 4. We don't have to tighten it now until we screw all the 4 screws. Please ensure that you should have patience while doing this. Any carelessness can hurt you while doing the installation. Please be very patient and strictly follow the steps as we are directing you for the installation. So in case any screw breaks, we are providing 4 extra screws. Now, since the table is in its position, so we are going to tighten all the 4 screws. So you need to have a screwdriver with plus mark. So let me show you what a screwdriver with plus mark means. The screwdriver is either like this, minus mark, or with a plus mark. So normally screwdriver, they come with both. You can reverse them. You can either have them with minus mark or you can have them with plus mark. So preferably we suggest, because the kind of screw that we have given you, it comes with a plus kind of configuration, which is very easy to use. So we are going to tighten the rest 2 screws. So if you see, these screws were not tight. Now we are going to tighten them. Zoom kar do. Yeah. So we're done. So now all we need to do is turn the table upside down. And the table is ready to use. So this is where the user is going to sit. So I'm going to show you with one of these chairs. So now, in case your floor is not has some undulation, I told you there are levers provided. Now these levers would ensure that the table doesn't move. So there are 2 levers provided in each leg, as you can see. You can adjust them as per your requirement. Now the table is easy to move around. The weight is approximately about 19 kg. So you can easily move around the table from one location to the other location. So this was about Alpha table. I'm signing out. Thank you so much. Happy work from home furniture.